Okay, hello everyone. So today I have a DIY project. This is my Leatherman with multi-tool. I'm going to make a leather sheath for it. So I'm going to use a technique called wet forming. So yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. I hope you learn something new. Bye. Okay, so as you see the previous pictures, what happens is that I wet this is called wet forming. So you take the leather, the piece of leather, this I think is around 2 to 3 mm thickness. So wet the leather, after that you wrap. So this is syringe wrap. After that I stapler gun the sides to actually hold it in place before I form it. After that I vacuum pack the thing so it becomes a bit more tighter. Right now it's still hardening, but if let's say it's more than 2 days, you can actually take out this stapler. Then after that, let it cure for at least another day or so before you do the back portion. So that's pretty much for this step. I'm gonna let this dry a bit more before removing the stapler. Right, see you. Bye. Okay, so I remove the stapler. Looks like this. Alright. So this is the wrap that I was talking about. Now you can remove this and use it while you let this thing cure for at least 2 more days. Okay, what's the next step for this is actually I want to trim the sides. There will be like a 3 mm overhanging before I actually punch hole for the stitching work. Yeah, looks pretty nice. It's gonna be a tighter fit. The reason why I like to have a tighter fit is so that because this leather after a while it will start to expand and actually slide in and out a bit better. So it's okay if it's very tight right now, but later on when it starts to patina and starts to use a bit more nicely, then it will slide better out in and out of the casing. So yeah, okay, thank you very much for watching. I bring you to the next step next. Okay, on to the next process, which is the clip-on design. Previously it was a belt loop design. You have to put the belt through the loop itself to actually attach to the sheath, but I'm using a belt clip design for this one. This is also my first time doing this design, but it turns out quite nice. Yeah, I'm not going to add the stitching part for this, so it's just glue up and stitching. It looks like this after it's all done. I did the edges as well to just clean it up a bit more. It looks a bit crude because I don't have a lot of leather left, so this is actually scraps from whatever I have. Turns out to be quite nice, and it does its job. So yeah, hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. See you soon. Bye.